So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will talk about TCS NQT 2026 coding interface. तो जैसा कि पता है कि ऑलरेडी बहुत सारा phases का एग्जाम हो चुका है and still there are many students who have exam. Now in this video I will talk about the coding interface because if you will go through our video then you will save at least 10 or at least 5 minutes you will save in your coding exam that will play a critical role. Besides that I will provide some of the important tips. जैसा कि पता है कल से वही फिर से नेक्स्ट phases का जो है एडमिट कार्ड ऑलरेडी आ चुका है एंड दे हैव एग्जाम ऑन 20, 21, 22 एंड कंटिन्यूसली होते रहेगा. सो आफ्टर डूइंग एनालिसिस ऑफ वेरियस शिफ्ट आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग दिस वीडियो, सो मेक श्योर टू गो दिस वीडियो completely. First of all, let me make you aware of the coding interface and how it would be like. So this will be like your coding interface and here questions will be there and you can write code in C++, Java, Python, JavaScript and others. So यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारा लैंग्वेज देखने को मिलेगा and remember you will not able to do direct copy and paste. That's the important things and you have to write the code from scratch. So whatever things you are seeing here now, it will not be there. It will be completely a blank screen and there will be simply a checkbox. First of all we have to click there. Okay, let me just show you by the pen. Yeah, so there will be checkbox, so it will be like C++, then there will be checkbox, then Java, then checkbox. So whenever you will click here only, then you can write the code in corresponding language like C++. If you will choose Java, then Java compiler will be selected and you can write the code here. So that's the thing. Okay, don't waste your time in doing the control C and control V because control C and control V will not work. So if you want to suppose copy this all for loop, then you have to first select it and click here. That is the copy button. So जब आप click कीजिएगा इस पे means this is the copy button. So whenever you click here, that will copy your code and wherever you want to go, just go with the mouse and click there and again click here, paste. So control C and control V are disabled. So be careful in all these things and don't waste your time in doing control C and control V. Next, post writing in your complete code, you have to compile it. So compile, after compilation you might getting some error. So all error you will get here at the right side, or you can also see from here that they will provide you. And it's the important thing that they have little bit improved their compiler, that now you can check the expected output and what are the output coming in your case. Suppose your output is coming as 1, 2, 3 and expected output is 3, 4, 5. So for just means 2 public test cases you will able to see. But yeah, that's a good thing क्योंकि earlier में क्या रहता है, simply एक mouse रहता था यहाँ पर means arrow button and then you can see the output or the output you are getting. But now you can directly see the output and they have also enhanced their coding interface. Earlier what was there that it was not highlighted or simply आप कह सकते हैं कि indentation वगैरह मेन थिंग हाईलाइटेड वगैरह नहीं था. Now you can do means you can see these highlighting means whatever the keywords are there that will be highlighted automatically. So that's a good things and I think TCS is now improving their compiler. Remember those who are doing coding in C++, hashtag include bits std c++.h will work. So don't waste your time including the library like hashtag include vector, include limits or include algorithm, because bits std c++.h work and don't waste your time. Okay, valuable time I will say. So first of all, try to focusing on the passing the private test cases, because only for the private test case you will get marks. You will not get marks for the hard coded input. Okay, means hard coded output अगर आपने किया तो you will not able to pass. So also other things that I want to tell that whenever you will read the question, then they will mention some edge cases. Suppose if the output is negative, then you have to print error, or if the output is greater than the particular value, then you have to print invalid input. So these all edge cases we have to go through it. Okay, and you have to handle the edge cases. So many of the comments I was saying that I just able to pass 5 by 7 test cases, not all the test cases pass. What could be the reason? So that could be the reason that you are not handling the edge cases properly. If you will able to handle it, then all the test cases should be passed. And if you will able to pass all test cases, then it will increase your it will basically increase your chances for the interview. So that is the thing I want to tell. So again, let me just give you overview again. So here there will be question. You have to go through it and don't waste your time in reading all the question. First of all, I will suggest go to the input and output what they are saying. Then you will get clarity that what the question is asking. But still, if you have in a query or if you have doubt, then you can go through the question. But don't directly go through the question because question might be very long, like what can I say, 2 to 3 pages might be there. So they knowingly give the lengthy questions, but the questions concept or question logic is quite simple. They might give you a story that they are arranging the cakes and all those, and they want to arrange the cake in sorting order or in ascending order, descending order. So you have to just grasp the keyword. Okay, don't waste your time in all those things. So for easy questions you will be getting 35 minutes. For the hard or medium questions, you will be getting 55 minutes. Not hard, medium questions, you will get 55 minutes. So this, in this way, basically time will be splitted. Also friends, focus on the numerical aptitude and all those, because if you will able to clear the numerical aptitude, then only further your coding test will be, coding will be checked. So that's all things I want to tell. Now I hope your all doubt is clear related to things. So what are the important tips? At last I will share you. Focus on edge cases. Don't waste time, don't waste your valuable time reading the entire questions. Focus on input and output, and just go and give your best. Those who have followed our basically previous year questions and current shift questions, I think you should be in a good condition and must go through our video related to how to take input in various scenario. So अगर कहीं indentation वगैरह error आ रहा है, then must try to check the number of spaces, because if number of spaces are less than what they're expecting, then it might give you the error, or might your edge cases may not be passed. So you are close to the basically result, but still you are not getting the output. So that could be the reason. So try to use with single space or double space and do some things there. Okay, means do some hard coded, or what can I say, do some try and test. Okay, try and test will play a critical role in clearing this. So you have to just pass the 7 test cases. So time complexity generally doesn't matter, you will not get TLE, but yeah, if you will using so much things, means so much loops and other, then you might get TLE, but there is a very less chance because just 7 test cases are there and constant are also limited. So best of luck who have exam, and must comment in the next day about the coding question you faced. Otherwise we will come with the coding question solution in the next day too. So again, best of luck. कोई भी query feel free to ask here, comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.